Hi guys! Panibagong math problems na naman. Pero bago natin pag-usapan ng mga math problems na yon, intro muna tayo. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out a set of values are from their mean. It is calculated as the square root of the variance, which is the average of the squared deviation of each value from the mean. A low standard deviation means that the value are close to the mean, while high standard deviation means that the value are more dispersed. So in this video, I will show you how to get the standard deviation group data. How do we calculate the standard deviation of the score of the student have in exam? The first thing we need to do is to calculate the midpoint. So midpoint. To get the midpoint, the first thing we need to do is to calculate the midpoint. So what is the midpoint of 50 and 59? So this is to find the midpoint is we need to do add 50 and 59 and divide by 2. So graph is 50 plus 59 is equals to 109 over 2 is equals to 54.5. So the midpoint start in 54.5. To fill those blank, you need to add those numbers to get the midpoint. So in 60 and 69 is equals to 64.5. 70 and 79 is equals to 74.5. 80 and 89 is equals to 84.5. 190 is different. To get this, you need to add 90 and 100 also. So 90 plus 100 82 is equals to 190 over 2 is equals to 95. And midpoint is already answered. So to complete data, let's proceed to frequency of midpoint. To get this, multiplied the frequency and midpoint. So 3 multiplied by 54.5 is equals to 163.5. 5 times 64.5 is equals to 322.5. 9 times 74.5 is equals to 670.5. 12 times 84.5 is equals to 1014. And 8 multiplied by 95 is equals to 760. And let's total the frequency and the frequency midpoint. So total of frequency is 37. Total of midpoint is 2,930.5. So next step is the mean. So how to solve the mean? So to get the mean, we need to use this equation. Mean is equals to summation of frequency and midpoint. Hence, figures. So, mean is equals to total of frequency is frequency and midpoint is 2,930.5 over 37, and you need to divide into 37. So 2,930.5 divided by 37 is equals to 79.2. So the mean is 79.2. You need to copy 79.2 to fill all the mean table. So next step is midpoint minus mean. So to get this is you need to minus midpoint and mean. So 54.5 minus 79.2 is equals to negative 24.7, and 64.5 minus 79.2 is equals to negative 14.7. 74.5 minus 79.2 is equals to negative 4.7. 84.5 minus 79.2 is equals to 5.3, and 95 minus 79.2 is equals to 15.8. So next is midpoint minus mean raised to 2. So to get this, you need to multiply by itself. So 24.7 times 24.7 or squared is equals to 610.09. 14.7 squared is equals to 216.09. 4.7 squared is equals to 22.09. 5.3 squared is equals to 28. 0.09. 15.8 squared is equals to 249.64. So the final part is f over parentheses midpoint minus mean squared. To get this, you need to multiply the f or the frequency and the midpoint minus mean squared. So 3 times 610.09 is equals to 1,830.27. 5 times 216.09 is equals to 1,080.45. 9 times 22.09 is equals to 198.81. And 12 times 28.09 is equals to 337.08. And last is 8 times 249.64 is equals to 1,997.12. And after that, you need to total this. Is equals to 5,443. 5,443.73. But that is not the standard deviation. To get the final answer of this standard deviation is to use this equation. Frequency over parentheses m mean squared minus 1 n minus 1. So S is equals to 543.73, hence 37 minus 1 is 36, is equals to 151.2147. But this is not the standard deviation. To get total is 147 is equals to 12.29. So, this is the final. So, ayun. Sana may natutunan kayo and see you in the next video.